name is Daniel Strubel. I've been in the machining world for quite some time, doing 5-axis work in the medical field. And before the medical field, I was doing large parts for big tractor companies. From my experience, the customers have had a positive opinion on the software side of the vertical machining centers and the rigidity of the lathes across the whole line. The strong points of Hwacheon from the start is they control the process of the machine. They control the process of the machine from the frame to the sheet metal to the control to the table and the spindle, so they have the ability to have a strong ability across the whole spectrum of building the machine. Hwacheon has a few different types of software suites. They have HECC, which is High Efficiency Contour Control. This software gives the operator the ability to control 9 different parameters of speed and 9 different parameters of roundness to achieve high precision machining and high efficiency. They also have a system called Optima. Hwacheon has developed their own type of Optima software which optimizes the feed rate to the traceability of the spindle, which means that when the machine sees the ability to speed up the feed rate, it does. So it's essentially optimizing the feed rate in the machining. They also have a software called Tool Detect. This is a tool management system that gives the ability to track tool wear, tool breakage, and control it via in the program or in per tool. And all of these systems are very easy and user-friendly to use, either inside the program or on live monitoring. Another software suite is Thermal Displacement Compensation. This is broken up into 2 different types of software, spindle thermal compensation and frame compensation. Hwacheon has developed this software to control the frame displacement and spindle displacement. When the spindle heats up due to high RPMs, the taper of the spindle starts to bell mount, and when that does, the tool gets pulled up. We've put into our machines the ability to control that so that we have flat parts in our mold and die machines, controlling tolerancing in 5-axis world where we're not floating all over the place. As well as their frame, controlling that temperature of the frame is key to having a good quality part, especially on the mold and die side. Hwacheon builds all their own spindles, which is another thing that they can control the tolerancing of the spindle. And what's unique about Hwacheon is how we cool our spindles. It is very important to keep the spindle cool and the bearings cool, and we use systems like jacket cooling, oil cooling, and we also have high precision spindles that we cool the bearings as well. This, in my opinion, is a strong point, one of the biggest strong points of Hwacheon, due to the fact is we have small mold and die machines to big mold and die machines, and we focus that type of strong point by controlling tolerancing across every table, and the repeatability of our machines is what gives us the advantage in the mold and die market.